Southeast is without doubt doing tremendously well in its entertainment industry, producing popular music talents who are gaining recognition both locally and internationally. Welcome to Ebonyi People TV. Today's video is all about giving a big shout out to the incredible young Igbo artists who are making Ndi Igbo really proud. We are talking about the Gen Z artists who are taking the music scene by storm. And when we say the Gen Z artists, we are talking about the under 35 Igbo artists. We've got a list of 25 young talented Igbo artists and we're excited to share them with you. Kenny Clever, this young artist is from Iko local government area in Ebonyi State and is currently 25 years old. Jerick, who is 25 years old and from Idemili North in Anambra State. Agueri Banks is from Enugu State and is 27 years. Nuno Ziggy, Anambra State and is 26 years old. Ugo C, this beautiful talented artist is 27 years old and she's from Anambra. Ife, 27 years old and from Anambra State. Kola Boy, he is from Enugu State and is currently 27 years old. Ifex G, from Ihiala local government area in Anambra State and is currently 29 years old. El Victor is from Enugu State and is currently 30 years. Spark T, 33 years old and from Imo State. Iceboy IBM, the South African-based talent is from Imo State, is currently 35 years old. Brewster Trilonia, this artist is from Ebonyi State and he is currently 31 years old. Ratty, he is 29 years old and from Anambra State. Paragon QTM, also known as Queen of the Mic, is 24 years old and hails from Enugu State. Lucy Q, whose real name is Lucy Queen Ene, is from Eziago in Enugu State and is currently 26 years. Cameo the Hustler is from Enugu State and is 31 years old. High Star La Vista hails from Ogu local government area in Enugu State and is currently 25 years old. Queen Maggie, known as Chimamanda Pearl Chukwuma, is from Delta State and she is 18 years. Rod Kelly, also known as Annie Elijah Chinecherim, is from Anambra State and is currently 23 years old. Samba Literal, born Chinonso Dominic Mary, was born in Onitsha, Anambra State and is currently 27 years old. Zeno Top Boy is currently 21 years old and hails from Nkwo in Anambra State. Sunshine G is 28 years old and is from Obosi in Anambra State. Ofor 2 is a native of Enugu State and is currently 24 years old. Odogu Bin Laden is from Enugu State and is currently 31 years old. Gota Dues, whose real name is Prince Arinze Chioke, is a rap star based in Istanbul, Turkey, is from Enugu State. Olisa the rapper is from Nsukka in Enugu State and is currently 26 years old. Did we miss anyone? Drop their names in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like for more videos just like this one. We also want to celebrate you, our dearest viewers. Do you have a birthday coming up soon? If yes, DM us your picture 2 days before and your full name and we'll give you a special shout out on the channel. Kindly do so via the number now showing on your screens. Also, if you're planning any kind of event, whether it's a wedding, burial, anniversary or festival, reach out to us via the number now showing on your screens for coverage. We offer top-notch services both within and outside Ebonyi State.